Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Come in. Close the door and take off your shoes too. We don't want to track dirt in the house. Hey, you just tracked dirt in the house.
I don't even want to be here.
JD, this is your future house.
No.
Don't track dirt in it. Hey, no slamming the door, you.
Ding dong.
I'm on to you. Have fun, Paige. See yous. Hey guys, welcome back to Chasin 5. We hope that you guys are having the best day ever. And today is Saturday. We just dropped Paige off at an activity where she's gonna meet some people, and we hope that she has a good time there. And it's way up here in Carlsbad, so we can't really go back down to Mexico, so we took the entire family to just hang out and do some fun activities today. We're gonna go to a park, so it should be pretty fun, and we'll see what they have there. So this park is on top of a hill, and it's completely cloudy right now. You can't see a thing. It's supposed to have like sweeping panoramic views. We're in a cloud, so yeah, so much for that. Yeah, it looks kind of like eerie, to be honest. Look at the telescope, Sarah.
Oh.
Can you see anything? Do you see each other?
I can't. I could see better.
Yeah, this cloud though. Let's appreciate this view. It's such a view. We should savor this moment. I mean, to be honest, it's more of a view than we have at our house in Tijuana, so. Sarah, they left us. Come on, we need to go find them. Sarah, stop hiding in the bushes.
No, I thought I saw something.
Where are they? Why are you going down here? But why don't we go on the trail? Whee! Sarah and I lost Mom and Dad.
No,
and
don't put that in.
we need to find them. Sarah's the king of the tree, queen of the tree. Oh, you see them? Well, I guess that helped us.
Come on.
What?
No.
Sarah!
I got them, I swear.
Let's go up on this. Maybe we'll find them.
Oh,
There they are!
I saw them.
Hi guys, we lost you for a second there. So this is the trail that we're gonna go on. And it says keep your children close, otherwise mountain lions will eat them. Because they're drawn to children apparently. So JD, you wanna be our victim? Look, if you look really, really closely, you can see all those tiny itty bitty houses.
Oh my goodness.
These trees look like they were burnt, like all black.
We're at forest style.
Like there was a fire here. See, look at this. See? Falstaff?
Hey JD, fall down. No, just like use Falstaff, so no matter how hard he tries, he can't get up because he's too fat.
Whoa, way to tie English class into your play.
That Falstaff is. You're supposed to stay down. Okay, what are we doing?
I don't know, you were putting on a play.
JD, what do you want to do? No!
Okay, JD's Hotspur.
Fine. Okay. You should go and betray the king.
What? There's dance moves.
Come on.
What are you doing, JD?
He's being the weird background dancer.
We're like foreground dancer.
Now we can be. Now we're going to be models, okay?
Oh yeah. When your parents walk away, that's when you know that it's time to go.
Okay. And then
Okay, let's go.
Woo!
Oh man, almost falls on her face. Yo, we found a park. Obstacle course?
Get over there. Get out.
JD, no pushing. Nope. It's gonna break when I get on it.
Oh, so don't get on. We better let JD go first. Try going on it, Bryce.
Woo! It didn't die, which means I'm doing something right.
Ready for the final jump?
Oh yeah. Woo! That was cool, Jay. I'm not sure I'm gonna do that because I value my legs. Wait, did they leave us? Every single time. Come on, Jay. Why do they always leave us? There they are. Go, go, go.
Look.
Okay, we caught up to y'all. We just arrived at another kind of park thingy. What is this, Mom?
It's a ranch.
Carrillo Ranch Visitor Center. So it's like this old ranch that they turned into a park, I think. Let's go.
Ouchie.
Whenever I'm trying to take shots of them, JD's always like, I see you.
Just like Paige.
Yeah, it's like always sunny down here, but you guys came on the one day it was cloudy and rainy, and yeah, I don't know. I don't like the rain very much. It makes me in a worse mood. But that doesn't matter because today's still gonna be the best day ever.
I see you.
Sarah, did you just break a bone?
Ow, ow.
Sarah, we need to take these bones to the hospital, fast. Where are you hurt? Where'd your bones come out?
I'm gonna fall.
Where are your bones coming from? Your brain?
No, they usually stick out of my head.
Ah.
Like their hair.
So we need to take you to the hospital then.
And stick my bones.
And stick your bones back in your head. I see you! Hey JD, it's your new car!
I think it's going with
That was not a good first driving experience. Is that how you think your first driving experience is gonna go?
Are we waiting? I see you! you. Found a peacock.
A peacock?
Yeah.
Whoa. Look at that.
There's one over there in the back. Next to that.
Wow.
Yum, 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 yum.
Its tail is so long. I did not, but I don't want to know about that.
7.
They're all over the place. And that one's white.
Oh, wow. That one's really weird. Why is it so white?
Look at that.
They must think, wow, that white peacock does not fit in the group.
Yeehaw! Okay, let's go. Yeah, we have plenty of time to kill. Our thing ends at like 11. Yeah. You guys got some sweet moves. So we just finished with the tour, and yeah, it was pretty cool. Did you learn anything new, Jay? Yeah. So basically,
That's how cowboys
this
did
house
it.
used to be part of this movie star person, and so yeah, he had like pool and cool stuff and green and ranch and all that fun stuff. So yeah, here's the red carpet, guys. I'm famous. See, they even put down rose petals for me. JD, red carpet. And then the rose petals.
Money to the public.
Red carpet, Sarah. Red carpet. I love it.
Hi, Chief Peacock. How you doing? I'm doing good too. Okay, you want food? I know you do because you're a Chief Peacock. You think if I throw something at it, it will get scared and run away?
Yes, definitely.
Baka, 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 baka.
They're leaving
Boogie.
So we just finished with this park thing. It was pretty cool. And now we're gonna see what we do after, right?
My shoes are really dirty.
JD's shoes are dirty. Welcome to Costco, the best store of all the stores. Mom, did you know that I have an obsession to Costco?
Yeah.
Sarah, what's the best part about Costco? Yeah, cookie thins.
This looks good.
Pineapple chunks. And it's huge.
No.
Oh. JD, I think that's your future house.
I'm not living in the dump.
Here, just go inside. Come on. Oh, they don't let you? That's so cool. You have like no room to try it on. And you're putting it on over your glasses. Oh yeah. Except that it has a string flying down. What would they say if you started riding this bike in the store?
Well, I can't fit on it, so I don't know.
Yeah, but like it isn't chained down or anything. So
Except for this, which doesn't
don't write it.
define me.
Doesn't define me. I don't listen to the rules. Where'd JD go? There you are. It is 30 degrees in here.
We should have a challenge.
And see how long we can stand in here with the cold air.
Yes.
Okay,
Starting.
now. You cold?
No.
I could go all day.
I could go all night.
Why are you shaking your legs like that?
Write down who do you think will win in the comments down below.
Do this all day. Easy peasy.
So could I.
What do you guys do to stay warm? What are you doing? Hey, check out the cute cumbers.
Get it? Cute cumbers?
Yeah, I think they get it, JD. You cold yet?
No.
No, I'm not losing to you.
We should start playing rock, paper, scissors. A challenge inside of a challenge. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ready?
What are you doing?
I don't even know how to.
Falls on the floor. Almost runs into somebody's cart.
Terrible idea.
They suspect something.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just doing like the cold thing.
Hi, Sarah.
I bet you were in the produce section, and I was right.
Sarah, we're doing the cold challenge. Seeing who can stay in here longer.
Oh, I'll join you.
It's cold. Cheers. Cheers. Let's go. JD, it's your future house. You want to go inside? Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Come in. Close the door and take off your shoes too. We don't want to track dirt in the house. Hey, you just tracked dirt in the
I
house.
don't even want to be here.
JD, this is your future house. Don't track dirt in it. Hey, no slamming the door, you.
Ding dong.
I'm on to you. See you, son. Have a good day at school.
Bye bye. They're leaving us. Bryce.
It's raining. Come on. Man. Close the door. Close faster.
There you go.
JD, that was quite the challenge.
Bryce, can you pass the
Ooh,
water?
ooh, I have an idea. Okay, since you lost, I think you should do something that I tell you to do.
Oh no.
I'll think about it.
Oh no.
Tell you later.
I hop.
Hey, I see you. Hello.
I hate the rain. I mean, I don't hate it, but just like, you know, the rain just,
Dreary.
yeah, it makes me in a weird mood.
I like rain.
You like the rain?
JD likes his ice cold, not melted.
I thought you could get this with a
Same, buddy.
Order.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
This is your straight A's breakfast.
Yep, we get a breakfast / dinner for straight A's. Way to go, Sarah. And JD. Ouchie, you stabbed my hand.
I love iPods.
Let's go. Whoa, that was a lot of food.
Yeah. Look at all the
Sarah
plates
was
on the
good.
table.
That was satisfying. Hey, it's like sort of stopped raining. Do I look cooler like this? Should I pull off this look? No.
You have to
What?
be a farmer with a farm hat.
I have to have a farm hat to do that?
Have a cowboy
Or you could be a cowboy.
and be a farmer.
Ah, okay. Well, I should have bought that cowboy hat at Costco. I wish I'd known. Since we still have like 6 hours to kill, we came to Dollar Tree. Anyways, we'll see if we get anything from this trip. JD, you'd look so fly in this hat. Oh yeah. There you go. Go ask Staff, you can have it. Hey JD, look! It's the new iPhone!
Hello. How you doing?
You want it?
Horrible.
Whoa, dude! You were still in the store.
So cool.
You can only throw your phone once you're out of the store.
Yeah.
Mom, you can get one of these for $1. Sweet, we needed one.
I'm trying these out to see if they actually work, you know?
And
Yeah.
all these, it's so foamy.
They're broken.
They don't really work though. I'm gonna do this.
Okay, so yeah, we're pretty much done with today. It was a lot of just hanging out. Despite all the rain, we had a great time. Right, guys?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Today was the best day ever. We hope that you guys also had a great day. And yeah, please be sure to subscribe and like and share this with all your friends. And we'll see you next time here on Chasin' Fat.
And today is Saturday the 9th, 2018.
No.
Ah!
See you guys.
Thanks for watching.